The National Water Commission (NWC) is drowning in complaints following yesterday's heated town hall meeting in St. Mary. Sandy Williams explains.
Residents from several communities came to the town hall meeting in St. Mary with a sea of questions, wave after wave, each crashing into the NWC's representative, who struggled to stay afloat under the flood of grievances. The biggest sore point? Broken and leaking pipes left unattended for far too long.
How long does it take for NWC to respond to an issue when it is reported?
Right now in Hamilton Mountain, there's so many burst pipes, so many mains. But NWC comes to and they fix the one up the road and they leave the two down below. So I'm asking, what is the policy and procedure for repair?
Repairs of leaking pipes has to do with availability of materials. So if we do not have sufficient materials, all the leaks in one area cannot be completed. So that is one of our challenges that we are having. And we try our best to facilitate fixing the leaks as best as we can, but there are times when this is just out of our control.
But that explanation did little to quench the annoyance among the residents.
There are a lot of effort being extended to essentially collect monies from delinquent users. But I believe equal effort should be expended to conserve the water that it costs to pump.
For those who endure dry taps on a regular basis, the NWC had a simple response. They're on a schedule. Water is being rotated between communities. Therefore, when one community is dry, water is flowing somewhere else. As for who is responsible for repairing the road after the NWC has dug it up?
Normally we have an arrangement with NWA or through the parish council to repair all dug-ups that we do.
Sandy Williams, TVJ News.
And it's time for